Today is October 20th, 2025. Today's job is to seal the bottom of this fish tank. As you can see, there's very little water coming in from the outside, from the bottom, the outside, and everything, most of the area is dry. Just here a little bit wet, here a little bit wet. uh, I checked everywhere. Basically there's only one area that is leaking water. That means the water comes in from that place. It's this place, just the place behind, below this pipe. There's a area. Certainly is, you can see clearly water coming from there, and all the other water, comes from there, because things will flow here and then spread around. So that's pretty good. It means only one location, not several places, so it's much easier to use special concrete. It's A and B. Just mix them up, and then just quickly in 5 minutes it can cure. So anyway, that's something we like to do. Here's the quick repair kit for the concrete bottom. Here's the, I think this is just simply cement, high grade cement, fast, curing, and and then this is A. Then the B part is simply just, just sand, fine and coarse sand, so we just need to mix them up well, and then add water. As soon as water is added, we only have 5 minutes time, the window to apply it, and then just quickly cure, solidify, and as we have to take, really prepared to apply this. 好，我们准备堵这个地方啊，现在要下去啊，然后堵这个地方。 Today we take the time to put on the skirt using the woven P fabric, and yeah, just getting dark, so we just did it quickly, and we'll adjust it tomorrow.